हेलो एंड वेलकम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ सूरज मिश्रा। हम तुम और इंग्लिश में आप सभी का स्वागत है। फोनिक्स लेवल 1 में हमने सिंगल लेटर साउंड्स के बारे में जाना था। अब हम देखेंगे फोनिक्स लेवल 2 डबल लेटर डायग्राफ के बारे में और उनके साउंड्स के बारे में। दोस्तों, वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए ताकि आप मेरे अपकमिंग वीडियो मिस ना करें। लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ डबल ए। साउंड्स लाइक a. For example, grass, grass. Next is ab. Ab sounds like ab, ab. For example, cab, cab. Next is a plus d, add, add. For example, mad. Next is a plus e. Sounds like a, a. For example, aeroplane, aeroplane. Next is a plus f. Sounds like off, off. For example, afternoon, afternoon. Next is a plus m, am, am. For example, dam, dam. Next is a plus p, app, app. For example, cap, cap. Next is a plus n, an, an. For example, can. Next is a plus t, at, at. For example, cat, cat. Next is a plus I, ae, ae. For example, male, male. Ay sounds similar to ai, a. For example, play, play. Next is a plus r, r, r. For example, star, star. Next is E plus E. Sounds like E, E. For example, tree, tree. EA sounds similar to E plus E, E. For example, C, C. Next is I plus B, ib, ib. For example, bib, bib. Next is I plus D, id, id. For example, kid, kid. Next is I plus G, ig, ig. For example, pig, pig. Next is I plus N, in, in. For example, pin, pin. Next is I plus P, ip, ip. For example, dip, dip. Next is I plus X, X, X. For example, 6, 6. Next is O plus T, art, art. For example, pot, pot. Next is O plus X, ox, ox. For example, box, box. Next is O plus P, op, op. For example, mop, mop. Next is O plus G, og. For example, dog, dog. O plus A sounds like O, O. For example, boat, boat. O plus W sounds similar to O plus A, O, O. For example, bow, bow. Next is O plus I and O plus Y. Both sounds like oi, oi. For example, coin, boy. O plus W and O plus U both sounds like ow, ow. For example, brown, cloud. Next is O plus R, R, R. For example, corn, corn. Next is O plus O, sounds like oo, oo. For example, book, book. Next is U plus G, ugh, ugh. For example, hug, hug. Next is U plus B, ub, ub. For example, rub, rub. Next is U plus P, up, up. For example, cup, cup. U plus N sounds like un, un. For example, run, run. Next is U plus D, ud, ud. For example, bud, bud. Next is U plus T, ut, ut. For example, shut, shut. I plus R, E plus R and U plus R, all three sounds like er. For example, purple, bird and singer. B plus L sounds like bl, bl. For example, blue, blue. C plus L sounds like cl, cl. For example, clock, clock. F plus L sounds like fl, fl. For example, flag, flag. B plus R sounds like br, br. For example, brick, brick. C plus R sounds like cr, cr. For example, crane, crane. F plus R sounds like fr, fr. For example, frog, frog. G plus L sounds like gl, gl. For example, glass, glass. P plus L sounds like pl, pl. For example, plane, plane. S plus L sounds like sl, sl. For example, slow, slow. Next is D plus R, dr, dr. For example, drum, drum. P plus R sounds like pr, pr. For example, prize, prize. T plus R sounds like tr, tr. For example, truck, truck. S plus M sounds like sm, sm. For example, smile, smile. S plus N sounds like sn, sn. For example, snack, snack. S plus T sounds like st, st. For example, stone, stone. S plus W sounds like sw, sw. For example, swim, swim. S plus H sounds like sh, sh. For example, ship, ship. C plus H sounds like ch, ch. For example, cherry, cherry. T plus H sounds like th, th. For example, thumb, thumb. W plus H sounds like v, v. For example, will, will. आपको अगर मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना बिल्कुल ना भूलिए।